There is one thing that I noticed on here. There's this strip, this kind of vinyl adhesive that's on the top of the dishwasher. It actually wasn't mentioned in the manual at all, but I actually know what this is. Oddly enough, this is actually it's called a condensation strip. So this actually will adhere to the bottom, of the cabinetry, so that when you open up your dishwasher, the steam will roll off the cabinetry instead of basically eating away and creating more condensation and mold in the cabinetry. Right now we're looking at the bottom of the dishwasher. This is the front, that's the back over here. Towards the front, bottom, we have our electrical connections. We're gonna have to hardwire this to get power to it. What we did was buy what's called a pigtail, which is essentially a 3-pronged plug, and at the back end of it has wires exposed that we can hardwire easily. So I'm going to walk you through the process of getting these wires connected, and then we're going to go to the next step, which is getting the hot wire plugged in and the drainage hose, and we're basically done with our install. The green is always the ground. We have a positive and negative. They just plug it together. And at the end of this pigtail, we have a 3-pronged plug. Really simple. The best way to get the wires is you crisscross them and then just give them a nice twist. Ensure a good connection. And then get one of our caps. This guy basically closes off that electrical connection. Just twist on there and it just cures it really nice.